Good morning, student. Have a nice day. Today, students, I am going to discuss about the chemical industries. But before discussion, you must know some of the topic of this chapter has been removed, like cement industry, aluminum smelting industries, and even chemical industries. What students, it being important, I must teach you about the chemical industries because this is the industries which is the most diversifying and fast growing industries and can be located in any location. Students, it can be located in any locations because it industries its raw materials can be carried for a long distance without much transporting cost. Then you must know students कि chemical industry is fast growing and diversifying industries of our country. अब फीचर लिख लोगे इसका, ठीक है, इसका नोट्स हम नहीं देंगे, इसका फीचर ही वीडियो देखकर लिख लेना है आपको. It is the most fast growing and diversifying industries of India. It contribute 3% to the total national GDP. It stood third in Asia and occupies 12th position in the world. Okay, these industries students comprises both large and small scale industries. Okay, and students, this industries is divided as inorganic and organic industries. So if we talk about inorganic chemical, which include sulfuric acid, which is utilized as synthetic fiber, plastic, paint, detergent, soap, etc. Okay, besides students, it also include organic chemical or petrochemicals, which is used to manufacture synthetic fiber, synthetic rubber, plastic, dyestuff, drugs, and pharmaceuticals students. Okay, organic chemical plants are located near wall refinery. It is located near wall refinery. It is because it get its raw materials from refineries students. Okay, and this has own largest consumer, and that is why these industries are developing day by day students, or it play a vital role in development of agriculture also, since it students include fertilizers. If we talk about the fertilizer industries of our country, then we notice students the fertilizer industries of India is centered around the productions of nitrogenous fertilizers, that is popularly known as a urea. Besides students, we also manufactures phosphatic fertilizers and ammonium phosphate. But we must know students that potash, which is required to manufacture phosphate or other fertilizer except urea, and potash is required as a raw materials. What students, potash is not produced in our country and it is entirely imported from the other country students. Okay, so we must know the Indian fertilizer industries revolves around urea, which have 57 large industries. And we also know students, India being an agricultural country, okay, it is much required and have largest consumer in own country. But being an agriculture country students, we are still lagging in use of fertilizer with compared to the developed country, and that is why it is dire need to develop the fertilizer industries in India to make Indian agriculture successful. Okay student, so this was what about we have to discuss in chemical industries students. This was what we have to discuss about the chemical industries. Now students, I am going to teach you through this video about the automobile industries or electronics industries students. So we have discussed about the chemical industries, and as I have told you that the cement industries have been removed from the chapter, That is why now I am going to discuss about the automobile industries. We must know, students, this industry is also fast growing and developing industries after chemical industries. Okay, or it provide a quick transportation regarding the transport of goods, services and passenger, students. Okay, so these industries have boosted and developed after liberalization. The coming of new and contemporary model, students, boosted or stimulated the demand for vehicles in the world market. आज आप देखो अलग अलग प्रकार के स्टूडेंट्स मॉडल हैं व्हीकल्स का। ठीक है, तो ये क्यों संभव हुआ? ये आफ्टर लिबरलाइजेशन। लिबरलाइजेशन क्या है स्टूडेंट्स? रिमूवल ऑफ टैक्स बैरियर या इंपोर्ट ड्यूटीज। ठीक है, आज दुनिया का कोई भी देश कहीं पर भी व्यापार कर सकता है, बट अर्लियर स्टूडेंट्स देयर वाज द बैरियर। आपको इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ाएंगे तो ये समझ में आएगा कि अर्लियर देयर वाज द बैरियर स्टूडेंट्स। इफ वी विश टू means supply the goods out of the nation, we have to pay a very heavy duties there. So that has been removed in the 90 decades, and due to the removal of tax barrier, import duties, okay, it became easy to transport the goods from one country to the another country. So student, this industries has experienced a quantum jump in less than the 15 years, and this became possible ड्यू टू द लिबरलाइजेशन। आपको नोट्स इसी को देख कर लिखना स्टूडेंट्स कि ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्रीज इंक्लूड द व्हीकल्स इंडस्ट्रीज स्टूडेंट्स एंड आल्सो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंडस्ट्रीज टू। ओके, दिस इंडस्ट्रीज हैड ए क्वांटम जंप इन लास्ट 15 years. This is because of liberalizations which make it possible to transport the goods from one to another nation. Okay, and that resulted students a different model into the market students. Okay, so at present, if we talk about the students, at present there are 15 manufacturers of passenger cars and multi-utility vehicles, 9 of students commercial vehicles, 14 of the 2 and 3 wheelers, and industries located around large cities like Delhi, Gurgaon, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, etc. students. Okay students, so now we have seen that how the automobile industries had a quantum jump in last 15 years. Later students, we talk about the electrical industries students. ठीक है, तो we must know that India students occupy the first position in electrical industries. ठीक है, and if we see students, तो BFIN means Bangalore students is a city which is fast developing related to the electrical industries, and to make these industries most successful students. Okay, to make these industries most successful, we find their students software technology park which provide the high data communication. देखिए सॉफ्टवेयर टेक्नोलॉजी पार्क क्या है, पूछता है स्टूडेंट्स, STP. ओके, सॉफ्टवेयर टेक्नोलॉजी पार्क, okay, that provide students high data communication for the software export which have been means students set up at the different city of our country like Bangalore, Mysore, Hyderabad, Indore, Noida, Jaipur, etc. That is why these industries must develop, and this is also an industry students which provide maximum employment to women also students. Okay, and you must know means India students have the largest outsourcing processing industries like the BPO students, business processing outsourcing, and that is why because it students means made employment of at least 30% of the people employed in this sector are women. 30%. That is why it also students make employment to the women too. Okay, so that is why the electrical industries is the most important industry students. Okay, one video we have to create students there about the industrial pollution and environmental degradation and how can students be mitigate to this pollution. We will talk later about this video. Okay, have a nice day.